Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. So, this week we are going to see the SEO Masterclass. So, we are going to see and analyze top to bottom of that SEO. So, you are at the end of the session, you will understand what is SEO, and yourself you can do that SEO part. But before that, in the last week in our blogging class, I have missed a few things because of some technical difficulties that we couldn't find the WordPress app password to connect the WordPress app with AI Voice Mind, right? So this is the AI Voice Mind application, right? That last week we have seen. So here you just click the connect site, click the connect WordPress site, then provide your site name and everything, that site URL and the WordPress username, and here that application password is come. So we have struggled to find out this password only in the last week. So that struggle is because of that Hostinger's plugin. So if I click here that Hostinger and go to the tools section, by default it has disabled the application password section. By default it will disable the application password section. Because of that we couldn't able to see the application password. Now if we simply disable this particular settings and come back to users and profile, so you just click edit, and now you can able to see, if we scroll down, we can able to see the application password section. So here I already connect that this particular site with the AI Voice Mind by creating that new application password and copy that password here. Here you see I already connect this site. So when we connect this site, what it happen? It will by default install all the necessary pages. What the necessary pages? Contact us, about us, privacy policy, terms and condition. Those are all the common must have pages in any website, right? So those pages will be created, and it will also install the few basic necessary plugins also. So since I connected this site already with AI Voice Mind, so I'm just quickly showing you what are all the changes it has done. So if I go back to that WordPress site and click the pages section, here you can see this about us, contact us, disclosure, privacy policy, terms of use. All these pages are created by AI Voice Mind automatically with the content itself. If I click the privacy policy, if we click the view, you can able to see that privacy policy with content it has created. Okay. Likewise, it also has installed some of the plugins. Let us see what are all the plugins this AI Voice Mind has installed in our site. The first thing is the site kit. So this plugin is very important. It has installed automatically when we connect our WordPress site with AI Voice Mind. It has connected. Okay, and EC table of contents, cookies, GDPR. So these are all the basic things. Okay, so all the necessary plugins it has installed. So now the important step after we connect our WordPress site with AI Voice Mind, we need to configure the G site. Google. This is the Google's direct plugins. So here just click the start setup. This is important. Why I am telling this is important is you can get the measurement of your WordPress site, how it's get performed, and how it gets ranked on Google search engine, what are all the keywords your website has ranked, and how many users has visited in a day, in a month, in a week. Everything you can able to analyze and measure through this particular WordPress plugin. This is the Google's direct plugin. So the first thing is here we need to connect the Google Analytics account. So if you have a Google Analytics account, it's okay. If you not have, no problem. It is free to create. Just search Google Analytics in a Google search engine and create one account right now. So to create the account, only one basic need is only one basic requirement is you should have a Gmail account. That's it. So I already have account. I'm just connecting this. Just ensure tick this and click sign in with Google and sign in with your corresponding account. In my case, I just connect this account. Click continue. Click continue and just verify to verify that you own the spencerzoo.com. Google adds a verification token to your site's HTML code. That's fine. Click verify because Google wants to verify you are the domain owner, and click allow and setup and click next. That's it. So now we have completed. So let's come back to that SEO part. Okay, so today we are going to see that SEO live class, that what is SEO and what are all the factors we need to know in terms of SEO. Everything we will see in this live session. Okay, the search engine optimization, that expansion of SEO is search engine optimization. Why should you care about this? Right, so because you just think about that last week I have created target audience persona for my website, the spencerzoo.com website, right? So you just think by standing their shoes and think what they will think. So let me just quickly show you that persona what we have I have shown you. I hope you can able to see this pet audience personas that I have created. So in this, that last week I have told you these three personas, it has a different goals, different pain points, and different products they are willing to explore. So those things we have defined. So now you just stand on their shoes and think. So just say, for example, they just wanted to do looking in a online some kind of product that will help their four-leg friend. So then simply what we will do, they will just come and open any of the search engine. So in this case, google.com. Then in a google.com, they simply search what they want. Okay. So then it will list out few results in a first page. So those pages, then what our target audience will do, they simply click that first page, any of the results in the first page, and refer whatever information they want from that website. It's very simple, right? So here the SEO is when the target audience is searching something with the particular word, for that word that Google has written the result on the first page. That basically totally 10 results will come in the first page in the Google search engine page, right? So all these 10 website owners who whatever pages is getting rank on the first page for the particular word, all the 10 website owners has done the SEO to get the first page rank on Google when someone is searching with the particular word on Google. Okay, so this is called SEO. So now we have a website, the spencerzoo.com website, and we have our audience. Okay, so our audience will search any products or tips or help or strategy related to our related to the pet tech niche. So when they type anything related to the pet tech niche, if we optimize our website to come in a first page, that is called search engine optimization or SEO, right? So basically that SEO, when we consider that SEO, it has a 5 pillars. The pillars are keywords, on page, technical, content, and links SEO. So in that simple example, what I have given, that person, our pet tech audience, who is trying to search something on Google, for that they will put some word, right? That word is called the keyword. And if they put the keyword, our website will come into that first page of Google, right? For that, we need to do on-page SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO, and our content is also helpful for our audience when they search something. So we will see everything one by one in this session. So here in a 5 pillar of the SEO, first thing is keyword research. Okay, so you know already what is keyword, but here important thing is, when we want to go for ranking, we should think in our target audience mindset. That is why it is very important, before you write the content, you need to derive your target audience persona. Then only you can think on their shoes. Okay, so as I said, one of our target audience, the name is Jessica Miller, right? So this Jessica Miller is actually, she is a highly technical person who is while working, she want to remotely handle her dog's health, and she want to monitor her dog health and everything else, right? So in this case, basically we need to think in her mindset, what are all the search term she will use in Google. So just say, for example, one case I will tell you, she will or she maybe look for a dog health monitor system, right? So I'm trying to think in Jessica Miller's mindset. So she will just trying to find his dog's health. He is very much interested on his dog health. So she may type something like this: dog, sorry, dog heart, dog heart rate monitor. So basically, this is the one type of word she will just looking in the internet for her dog. So when she search this word, our aim is our website should come into this first page of this Google rank. Okay, so this is one of the word that Jessica Miller will try to type, but we couldn't able to figure out all the variations and all kind of keywords. So what that Jessica Miller will search in the internet, we couldn't able to find out, right? So here it is very difficult to think in another person mindset and read their mind to extract 100% what they are thinking from that. So in this case it is very difficult. So for that we are going to use one of the free tool is called the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, I'm just opening up that Google Keyword Planner. One second. Okay, so now I'm in that Google Keyword Planner. See, basically this Google Keyword Planner tool that Google has provided for their advertisers. Okay, but in this case, to figure out the what are all the variations of a keyword that Jessica Miller will think, we will use this tool. So here what I'm going to do, I'm simply click the discover new keywords and just type the keyword I found, the dog heart rate monitor, and I'm just clicking this. My target audience, the Jessica Miller, is resides in United States, so I'm ensure I have picked the United States country, right? And simply click the get results. So it's finding, organizing concept, getting keyword ideas. So now for us, that Google is trying to identify the list of keywords, the kind of keywords the Jessica Miller may type in the Google. Okay, so in a moment it will give us that answer. Let us wait. Okay, so that Google has given me that results. Okay, so if you see, we have given only this one keyword, dog heart rate monitor, but Google has give more keyword ideas: dog heart monitor, dog heart rate collar, dog collar heart rate monitor, dog heart rate monitor collar. It has given many keywords for us, and of course also it has given that average monthly searches. This is the plus. So we found the seed keyword dog heart rate monitor. We just guessed Jessica Miller may enter this keyword, but we don't know how many times she will search with this keyword in a month on Google. That we don't know. Or kind of persons how that Jessica Miller, the kind of persons how many times they will search this particular keyword in a Google, we don't know. But when we use the Google Keyword Planner, the Google Keyword Planner has given us that average monthly search. What it means? It means the dog heart rate monitor, this particular keyword in United States in a month, averagely 720 times has searched. So it is giving us the how much demand the particular keyword it which has it has. So those things we are getting from here. So right, but here you tell me, in this list you will simply pick list of the keywords, whichever keyword have the um, high monthly search volume, those keyword you will pick for your keyword research, and for that keyword you will write the content. Am I right? Mostly many of the beginners SEO marketers will do like that, but Here you need to consider the competition also. Just say for example, the dog heart rate monitor, this particular keyword has searched 720 times in a month, but how many competitors means our websites is now that the Spencer Zoo, it is targeting that pet tech products, right? So like that, for the pet tech products, how many other peoples are looking to get the rank for this same keyword, that is called the competition, that SEO complexity. So we should also measure that SEO complexity. So how we can measure that SEO complexity is very simple. So I'm just coming back here. So I search right now in the I am a search engine ranking page. So this is the dog heart rate monitor. We have searched. It has given us the list of 10 different websites in the first page, right? So the first step is you need to find out that exact keyword which has targeted by any of the websites here. So you just remove all of this. So any of the websites here. So here there is no websites are targeting this direct keyword, any of their title or description. So this is one um, plus point for us. We may have a less competition, but this is not only the factor to decide the competition. Apart from that, there are various factors is also available, that is how quickly this website is loading, and how many backlinks this website is getting. So that what are all the backlinks, I will let you know in the later section of this part, but right now you just understand there are many factors to figure out the SEO complexity of the particular keyword. Okay, so if we are trying to find out that SEO difficulty one by one for the keyword, then it is very difficult for us to find out the better keyword. Okay, so for that also we are going to use one tool that is called Uber Suggest. Okay, so that Uber Suggest, this is the tool we are going to use to find out the SEO difficulties. So that Uber Suggest tool is that Neil Patel's own tool. If you don't know about that Neil Patel, you just type Neil Patel in Google, you will get to know him. So he is that one of the veteran internet marketer who's from India. So he is the topmost internet marketer in the internet, that SEO guru. He has developed this particular product in his own knowledge, in his own experience, and he has given us that search engine difficulty for our keyword. So this is the thing. So to do the keyword research, the first thing is we are just getting list of keywords from Google Keyword Planner by typing one seed keyword. That seed keyword we need to provide manually in a Google Keyword Planner. So to select that seed keyword, what we need to do, we need to think in our target audience mindset and find out a few seed keywords and put all the seed keywords in Google Keyword Planner. Then Google Keyword Planner will give that list of variations for the keyword with the volumes. Just copy all of these keywords what the Google has given. It's very simple. Select this and download the keyword ideas from CSV file. It will get downloaded in your local. So once it gets downloaded, open that file and copy all the keywords, right? So here the keywords has given. Copy all the keywords. Copy all the keywords and come back to that Uber Suggest Now Uber suggests click keyword ideas, not keyword ideas. Sorry, not keyword ideas. You need to click keyword list. Okay, once you click the keyword list, you create the keyword list. Oh, I got it signed out. 1 second, I will log in. Okay, so I have logged in again with the Uber suggest. So now click that menu. In that menu, click keyword research. In the keyword research, click keyword list. Create a new list and just put any name for your keyword. So I just put the name as something else, test demo, and create a list. And here, just copy all the keywords that you have copied from your CSV file. Okay, and simply click add keywords. Make sure you have choose the corresponding locations where your target audience is reside. So now what Uber Suggest has gave to us, if I go to the test demo, it has given me all the keywords search volume. This is that exact search volume what the Google Keyword Planner has given us. This search volume only that Uber Suggest is providing to us. And on top of it, it is providing us that SEO difficulty. This is very important. So here, for example, that best dog heart rate monitor, for this particular keyword, Uber suggests provided that SEO difficulty as 32, and it is color coding it as a green. So that green means easy. There is less competitions are there, but it is going from green to orange and green to red. So anything you are seeing red and orange, that is difficult to getting first page rank. But if you see any keywords with the green, it is easy to get the first page rank. So as a beginner to starts with, for the new website, we should always target the keyword which has the SEO difficulty is less than 35 in Uber suggest. So this is the score they have provided. So if you find any keyword score is less than 35, you can take that keyword and do your SEO in your website for that particular keyword. You understand, right? So this is the keyword research. So for the I'm just recap what is keyword research. So that keyword research is something, the list of keywords we need to find out. Those keywords are basically what our target audience will search on the Google in our particular niche. So those keyword we need to identify to target. While we are identified those keywords to target, we should ensure that keyword should have a decent search volume, as well as that keyword should have a easy SEO difficulty score. That SEO difficulty score basically should be less than or equal to 35. If we found the keywords like that, all those keywords we can target in our website by creating the content and doing on page and off page SEO. It's very simple. Okay, so in this case I have found 1 second. I found that list of 90 keywords for my website, that easy to rank keywords basically, right? So these are all the keyword list. In this, I'm just take that first keyword, that hot monitor for dogs, which has a volume of 480. Volume means that such volume per month, there are 480 times this particular keyword is getting searched in United States. And this keyword has the SEO difficulty score is 1, which is provided by Uber Suggest. So I did the keyword research and find out these keywords. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a content for this particular keyword first, the hot monitor for dogs. So for that, I'm just go to AI Wise Mind and just click the new campaign. I'm going to do that informational post in this case. Okay, I simply, the keyword is hot monitor for dog. Hot monitor for dogs. And the keyword is also, I'm just providing the hot monitor for dogs. In the context, I simply write at least 2000 words article by target the keyword hot monitor for dogs. I simply leave everything is as it is and use 40 second person, everything else. Okay. So now I just simply click the create button. So it gets started. The status is running. So that AI Wise Mind is writing the article for the keyword hot monitor for dogs. Okay, it has complete. So totally there are 1055 words it has. So if I just click this, we can able to read the content what the AI Wise Mind has generated. So this is the content. It has put some YouTube video for the reference, and it beautifully given us some comparison tables, and it also put some AI images and add some content also, right? So now what I'm going to do, since I connect my website with AI Wise Mind already, simply click this 3 dots and click the publish, then choose my site, the spencerzoo.com, and simply submit. If I go back to our website and click that refresh my website page, so we can see the content has come into our website. If I click the view, we can able to see the content. So it's understanding the importance of hot monitor for dogs. So that exact same content we are seeing here in our website, right? So let me come back to this section. So in a 5 pillars of SEO, we completed that keyword research. Now you know how to do that keyword research. So first step, you need to find the few seed keywords. You understand, right? So how you need to find the seed keywords? To find the seed keywords, you need to think in your target audience mindset and find a few seed keywords. and put those seed keywords in Google Keyword Planner to get the multiple variations of those keywords, and copy all those keywords and create a list in Uber Suggest and put all the keywords and find out that SEO difficulties for all those keywords. Once you find out, you just simply filter that keywords with the decent search volume as well as that SEO difficulty is less than 35. So those keywords are your targeted keywords. Once you have a targeted keywords, you need to write the content for the targeted keywords. So in this case, I just pick a one keywords, a heart monitor for dogs, and use AI voice mind to create the content and publish that content also in my website. So this is so far we have done. Now, the next step is the on-page SEO. Basically, on-page SEO, it means what? We need to optimize. So now we are having this, right? We are seeing our recently published article. So here we need to optimize the title of the keyword and meta description. Basically, that what is meta description? Meta description is nothing. When our website is getting ranked for this heart monitor for dogs in Google, this is the Google search engine page, right? So for this particular keyword, I'm just put that exact keyword what we have targeted. Heart monitor for dogs. If I go and search this keyword, just say for example, this website is our website. You just assume. So then here, this is the title. This is the description. This description is the meta description. And this is meta title. So on-page SEO is basically to optimize the meta title and meta description of our particular website content by including our targeted keyword into it. So that is the optimization, that on-page optimization. That is not only optimizing that meta title and meta description, it has that few list of things, few list of factors that we need to follow. So for that, I'm just going to use the software is called SEO Quake. It's a quick SEO audit. So what it will do, it will just audit my website page to find out what are all the missing elements our website is have in terms of on-page SEO. Okay, so let me quickly show you. I have already installed that SEO Quake in my website, in my Chrome browser. This is the basically the Chrome extension. SEO Quake means this is free to install. Okay, so here that SEO Quake is there. So I'm just open my website and click this, and then just click the page info. And if you go to the diagnosis, so this is important, the page on page SEO audit. So my page has passed 11 elements and my page has a 3 error and 7 warning. So if I try to rectify all these error and warnings, my page will get 100% on page SEO optimized page for the keyword. So let's see what is happening here. The first warning is the title 76 characters average. Most optimal thing is 10 to 70 characters, but our title has the 76 characters. So we need to optimize our title, and there is no meta description. So we need to put the meta description. The description should be in 160 characters, and we have a heading that is good, that is okay, and that text or HTML ratio is 19.61%, not bad. We suggest adding more text to your website. So that AI wise mind has written that article only for 1055 words, right? So that is why this is coming. So if we have at least 1800 words of article, we will get a good green tick mark on this particular element. And the frames, we see that your website has iframes. Usually this is not a problem for SEO if they are used properly. So we just leave it. That is just warning. We should consider that error only. So one error is there is no meta description. The second error is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is not monitoring your website. We suggest taking advantage of this great tool. But in this case, this is not a correct information, because since we already connected our site with Google Analytics using that Google's SiteKit plugins. So that SEO Quake not aware of that. So that is fine. And that fave icon is not there. So that fave icon also we need to put. This is we can able to upload through the themes customization. So here very important thing is, as I identified, as I read that SEO audit, we need to optimize the title less than 70 character, and the meta description should be in less than 160 characters. Right now there is no meta description. So what we need to do done, so simply just edit the post. We should for to do that on page SEO, we should have some kind of SEO plugins in our website. So right now I have installed that plugin but are not yet activated. So either Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO that you can install. So in my website I have installed that Rank Math SEO. I need to activate it. Okay, now come back to post. Click edit of this post. And scroll down. Here we can see. So this is the rank math widgets. It's coming. So the first thing is we need to edit this snippet. The title we just provide understanding the importance of a heart rate monitor for dogs. This is our title. We have provided. The permalink is okay. And we just type this. So I just put the description. Just ensure your keywords are there in the description also in some variation, right? And the focus keyword is heart monitor for dogs. This is our keyword, right? I put this keyword. Then that rank math SEO itself has provided the score for our website, how well it has optimized for on-page SEO. So that basic SEO, Ray, you are using focus keyword in SEO title, focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. So it asking us to fix this. So what we need to do, simply click that edit description and discover why. So this is our keyword, right? So I just put this, oh, sorry, what monitor, discover why hot monitor for dogs are important for your dog's health. I just changed the keyword to, I just modified the description to ensure our keywords are there here. Okay. So now I have only this one focus keyword doesn't appear at the beginning of your content. Okay. So if I go back to my content, have you ever wondered how crucial it is? Have you ever wondered how crucial it is? So, how crucial the hot monitor for dogs when it is dog's heart health. Okay, so let's check. Let's publish, update, and check the content. Beginning of your keyword. Okay, I'm not going to take much time on this. So you understand how that on page SEO is we need to do. So basically, if we our target is just ensure all the cross will become as a tick, it means we done that on page SEO effectively. So this is one thing. So when we are doing on page SEO, quickly we are urged to just put the keyword the in wherever the space is available. We may put the keywords to ensure we are utilizing that keyword in our article. But this is called the keyword stuffing. So you should not blindly or without any context of the content, you should not enter the keyword here. So your keyword should come naturally within the context of the content. So that is very important when you are doing that on page SEO, right? So second thing is the technical SEO. The technical SEO is very simple. It's just you just ensure your website is mobile friendly and it's gets load very fast, and it has any 404 errors and missing SSL and image optimization, those things. So to audit your website for improving your technical SEO, you can use that Screaming Frog website. Okay, I'm not going to demonstrate that. So you can use that Screaming Frog, and you can find out all the errors in terms of 404 errors or something else. So basically, in the technical, to optimize the technical SEO, the first thing is our web hosting provider should be a reliable one. They will provide the good performance of the server and web space for us. Then only our website will load quickly. So that is why I use the hostinger to get good performance on my website. If I go back to that hostinger, you can able to see right now my page performance is 98 percentage. Right now my page my website's performance is 98 percentage for desktop device in Google page speed insights, and it also provide that lot of caching mechanism to load our website very quickly. So this will boost our technical SEO when we are using hostinger.com. That is why personally I am using that hostinger.com in this case, right? Then third important part is link building, right? So link building or off page SEO is nothing but I will tell you one example. So if you are posting one, if you are tweet something on Twitter account, and in the same content is tweet by any celebrity. Okay, so then whose tweet will get more likes and views? Either you or that particular celebrity. Basically, that celebrity tweet only will get most likes and views. Why? Because many peoples or talk about that celebrity, and many huge list of fans are there for that particular celebrity. That's why when he puts something, that X gets notified, and via that X or via that social media, many peoples will get that tweets to their homepage of that x.com content, right? So that same thing is applied in offline SEO also. So in offline SEO, what basically we need to do, so you just consider our website is that celebrity. So our website should become a celebrity. Lot of people should talk about our website. So in this particular place, that lot of people is nothing but lot of other websites should talk about our website. It means should have the link to our website. Okay, so just say for example, if the if the facebook.com, if you put the link in facebook.com, if you put the link of our websites in the facebook.com, that is called one backlink to our site. So that Facebook have the backlink. When we someone is pressed that link in a Facebook, it will redirect to our website. So that is called backlink. So we need to create as there is no limit as much as backlink for our website in terms of link building or off page SEO. Okay, so here many beginners will do the mistake. They simply, there are many online vendors will sell the backlinks. If you go to that Fiverr or SEO clerk's website, there are many peoples are selling that backlinks. There are millions of backlinks they are selling. So what that the beginners will do, they are creating the website today and purchasing that backlinks, and tomorrow their website have a 1 million backlink. So this is not a normal, right? Google will penalize when you are building that backlinks in a bad way. Your websites will never get ranked, even though you are targeting that easy to rank keyword, and you are very well done with your on-page SEO, and you have a good technical SEO. Your website never ever will get ranking on Google. Google will penalize your website when we do the wrong link building strategy. So how you need to do that link building? The first and main very straightforward method is just do the gust blocking. Gust blocking is nothing but just create the account in websites like Reddit, Quora, and write the content on this website and put your website link those websites. And second thing is you just do the press release, that online press release. There are many websites are doing these things. That online press release you can able to do. And third is you can use the tool called Money Robot. Okay, so here is that. So Money Robot. So it will build the link for you in complete automatic manner. I'm not explaining more about this in this. I have created the separate two-part videos for this Money Robot software itself. I will provide that link down below this video. Just click and learn more about this Money Robot. But here one caution I just wanted to let you know. Using Building the link using that money robot is not the white hat method. It's not a straightforward method. It's the gray area. Okay. So if you are doing the things in wrongly, your website will get penalized. So beginners, please be aware of that, be cautious with this, and use that money robot effectively. To learn more about robot, I have given my two-part video series link down below this video. Click this and watch it separately in terms of that time concern. Okay. So that's it. This is SEO. So in that SEO, we have seen start with keyword research, and we also talk about that on-page SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO. Okay, so in the all four parts, the first and most important one is keyword research. If you find that right keyword to target in your website, then your website will get ranked very quickly. Basically, in a 3 months to 6 months of time, you will get rank. Otherwise, if you are picking the wrong keyword, that means less competition. Sorry, it means high competition. That SEO difficulty is high, and that search volume of that keyword is very low, then you never get ranking on Google, and you never get traffic for that keyword to your website. So picking the right keyword using the keyword research is very important, so that you should do very carefully. So let me recap once again. For that, you should find a few seed keywords by standing and thinking in your target audience mindset, and put those seed keywords in Google Keyword Planner to get the variations of the keyword, and copy all those keywords and put it in Uber suggest keyword list, and find out that SEO difficulty for all of those keywords. Now you just pick the list of keywords which has a recent search volume, as well as the SEO difficulty is less than 35. Those keywords are your target keywords. For those keywords, you need to write the content and do the on-page SEO and do the technical SEO, and finally do the link building using any of these three methods, either using the gust blocking, or press release, or use the money robot tool. That's it. It's very simple, right? So here is your SEO action plan. You just read it, find keywords, optimize your page, fix technical issues, create helpful content, and build backlinks.